Text Tools Module Function Introduction. Text Editing 1. Join text. This command is used to connect multiple lines of text into a single line with the font style, character height, and other attributes following those of the first line of text selected. Click the Join Text function. Select the texts to be joined in order, then right-click to finish selection. Specify the lower left corner of the new text. Choose whether to delete the original text. Text concatenation completed. Curved text. This command is used to arrange the selected text along a specified curve. Click the Curved Text function. Select the text to be curved, or enter new text in the dialog box, then click OK. Select the reference line for curved text. Select the endpoint of the curved text. Press Enter directly or enter M, F, or A according to the prompt to achieve effects such as mirroring, reversing text order, or mirroring and reversing. Curved text placement completed. Vertical text. This command is used to arrange a selected line of text vertically. Click the Vertical Text function. Select the text to be arranged vertically. Specify the insertion point for vertical text. Vertical text arrangement completed. Split text. This command is used to split the selected text into individual text objects. Click the Split Text function. Select the text to be split. The program will automatically split the selected text into individual text entities. String split completed. Interrupt text. This command is used to split the selected text into individual text objects. Click the Interrupt Text function. Select the text to be broken. Specify the position to be broken. The selected text will be divided into 2 segments at the breakpoint. Text break completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.